students, a two-digit number is such that the product of its digits is 12. When 36 is added to this number, the digit interchange their places, find the number. Okay students, now here a two-digit number or two-digit number. How can we form the two-digit number? That a two-digit number formed by the unit place digit as well as the ones digit. Okay, in that number. So here I write let x be tens digit in the number. Okay, in the number, and y be ones digit in the number. Okay, so that means two-digit number is equal to 10 multiplied by tens digit plus units or ones digit. Here we say ones digit. Okay, ones digit. So now here we consider that the tens digit as a x. So I write here x and plus here 1. So our two-digit number will be 10x plus 1. Okay, our two-digit number will be 10x plus 1. So now here as per the given information in the example, say that a two-digit number is such that the product of each digit is 12. Product of each digits is equal to 12. So here according to, so we write according to first condition. According to first condition, here we write the product of the two digit, that means xy is equal to 12. Okay, xy is equal to 12. So that means we can say that y is equal to 12 upon x students. Okay, and call it as the first equation. Then here next one. That next part is that when 36 added to this number, when 36 is added to this number, each one, this two-digit number, 10x plus 1, added 36, this number, then the digit interchange their places. Then the digit interchange their places. So here we write that according to second condition. According to second condition. Okay, which one that second condition? That is we add the 36. We add 36 to this number. That is the 10x plus 1. This number, in this number. And we have interchange the digit. So after interchanging, we get the two-digit number, that is 10y plus x. So this is the second condition. So it is applicable now here 10x plus y plus 36 is equal to 10y plus x. Okay, so simplify this, 10x then minus x, then here plus y minus 10y plus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, so now here 10x minus x, that is the 9x, plus minus y plus y minus 10y, that means here minus 9y, and plus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, so now here again we can simplify it. We could simplify it, that is dividing both the sides by 9. So 9x upon 9 minus 9y upon 9 plus 36 upon 9 is equal to 0 upon 9. And that means x minus y plus 4 is equal to 0. That means we can write this x minus y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so this one is our second condition, second equation. So now here first equation is y is equal to 12 upon x, and the second equation is x minus y is equal to minus 4. Okay, so next one, that is here, see here that the condition is that x, be careful, see here students, x is equal to 12 upon y. This one is our first equation, and the second equation was x minus y. Here x minus y is equal to minus 4. This is our second equation. We solve this equation. So here put this value of x in the equation 1. Here I say that y here. I write here y is equal to 12 upon x. So I put here x minus. So 12 upon x is equal to minus 4. So that means cross multiply, x square minus 12 upon x is equal to minus 4, and that means x square minus 12 is equal to minus 4x. So that means by rearranging the terms, x square plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So now here student, this is a quadratic equation. We can solve this quadratic equation with the help of the factorization method. So that means here we have the factor. We get the factor, that is here in the first bracket x plus 6 and x minus 2. 6 2s are 12 na? So here, so that means x plus 6 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to minus 6, or we can say the second bracket x minus 2 is equal to 0, that means x is equal to 2. So we have the both values, x is equal to minus 6 and x is equal to 2. But here we take that x is equal to 2, that x is equal to minus 6 is rejected. Now x is equal to 2, then put this value in equation. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 1. Okay. So here we write that y is equal to 12 upon x, and that means y is equal to 12 upon 2, and that means y is equal to 6. Okay student. So here x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 6. Okay, we have these two values. So now here our two-digit number, what was our two-digit number? That is 10x plus y. So that means put the value of x and y here. So x is 2, so 10 multiply 2 plus here 6. Okay, so that means 20 plus 6, that is equal to 26. So 26 is the two-digit number. Example 7 students. See, a man lent a part of his money at 10% per annum and the rest at 15% per annum. His income at the end of the year is rupees 1900. If he had interchanged the rate of interest on the two sums, he would have earned rupees 200 more. Then find the amount lent in both the cases. Okay, so let us solve it. First here, that a man lent a part of his money at 10% annum and as well as a 15% annum student. So that means here we let that let x be the amount. Let x be the amount. Lent at 10% annum. Okay, at 10% per annum. And here, and y be the amount. Y be the amount lent at 15% per annum. Okay, so as per the first condition, that is and the rest at 15% annum, his income at the end of the year is rupees 1900. rupees 1900. That means according to first condition, that we have, that is a 10% multiply x, here 15% multiply y is equal to rupees 1900. Okay, so that means we simplify it, that is a 10% means 10 upon 100 x, 15% means 15 upon 100 y is equal to 1900. Then here we will ignore the denominator, that is 100. So here remove the denominator 100. So here we multiply both the sides by 100. So 10 upon 100 multiply x. So 100 multiply 15 upon 100 y is equal to 100 multiply 1900. So here 100 get cancelled. We have 10x plus here 15y is equal to here 1,90,000. Okay. So now here call it as the first one equation. Okay, students, call it as the first one equation. Now here according to second condition. Now here according to second condition. Which was the second condition? That if he had interchanged the rate of interest rate, that is at the place of 10% he lent at 15%, and at the place of 15% he lent at the 10% per annum. So he would have earned rupees 200 more. So that means 1900 plus 200. Okay, so according to our second condition, that is here 15% x plus 10% y is equal to 1900 plus 200, because the original income was the 1900. Okay, so 1900 plus 200 more. So here 15 upon 100 x plus 10 upon 100 y is equal to 1900 plus 200, that means 2100. Now here multiply both the sides by 100. So here 100 multiply 15 upon 100 x plus 100 multiply 10 upon 100 y is equal to 100 multiply 2100. Okay, students, and then here get cancelled. So 15x plus here 10y, here 10y is equal to, this means 2,10,000. Okay, and call it as the second one equation. Then call it as a second one equation. Now here we have the two equation, 10x plus 15y is equal to 1,90,000 and the 15x plus 10y is equal to 2,10,000. Okay, but here see, here is the 10x, this is the 10 is the coefficient of x here, and at this equation 10 is the coefficient of y. Okay, and here 15 is here coefficient of y, and here is the 15 is the coefficient of x. So that means our method is that, our process is that first doing the addition, then doing the subtraction. Okay, so here first we do the addition of these two equations. So here I write here that adding equation 1 and 2, adding equations 1 and 2. So here first one equation 10x plus 15y is equal to 1,90,000, and then the second one equation, that is the 15x plus 10y is equal to 2,10,000. So by adding here, see here 2, 3, 0, here 10, then 4 lakh. Okay, and here the 25y. Here also 25x. So here the equation is 25x plus 25y is equal to 4 lakh. Okay. So now here we can divide it both the sides by 25. So here 25y upon 25. Here also 4 lakh here. Okay. So divided by 25. So we can simplify x plus y is equal to here 25 ones are, and then 40 here, then 25 6 are. Okay. 150, and then 1 2 3 here. Okay. Then here we call it as this equation, the new equation as a third one equation, and then again we say that subtract. First we adding here equation 1 and 2, then we subtracting equations 1 and 2. Okay, equations 1 and 2. So here we subtract this first one, that is the 10x plus 15y is equal to 1,90,000. Okay, and then here 15x plus 10y is equal to 2,10,000. Okay, so subtracting means change the sign here. So 10x minus 15x, that means 5x plus 15y minus 10y is equal to plus 5y, and here the 1,90,000 minus 21, 2,10,000, and that means minus 20,000. Okay. So such a way we have the answer. Now here 5. So here dividing both the sides by 5. So 5 minus 5x upon 5. 5y upon 5 is equal to minus 20,000 divided by 5. Then here minus x plus y is equal to minus 4,000. Okay, students? Then called it as the fourth one equation. Now we have the students third and fourth one equation. Then here we add these equation third and fourth. That is the adding equation 3 and 4. So here third one equation is x plus y is equal to 16,000, and the fourth one equation, that is the minus x plus y is equal to minus 4,000. So now adding, so x minus x 0 plus 2y plus y plus y 2y is equal to 16,000 minus 4,000, and that means the 12,000. Okay, students? And then here the 2y is equal to 12,000, and so y is equal to 12,000 divided by 2, that means y is equal to 6,000. Okay? Then we want the value of x. Then here put the value of x here. Put this value of y in equation 4. So fourth one equation, minus x plus y is equal to minus 4,000. So that means minus x here is the 6,000. So plus 6,000 is equal to minus 4,000. So that means minus x is equal to minus 4,000 minus 6,000. That means minus x is equal to minus 10,000. So now remove the sign, minus sign. So x is equal to 10,000. Okay. So such a way we have the value of x as 10,000 and the value of y, that is a 6,000. Okay. So that means here we can say that the amount or lent lent at 10% per annum is equal to rupees 10,000, and the amount lent at 15% per annum is equal to rupees 6,000. Okay. So this is our answer.